Steve Jobs once said, "Most people make the mistake of thinking design is what it looks like. People think it's this veneer, that the designers are handed this box and told, make it look good. That's not what we think design is. It's not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works." It's very critical for you as a product manager to understand the difference between user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, and how to start thinking of UX when you're building your next product. Welcome to Business Simplified. Let's start with, what is UX? User experience design is a concept that has many dimensions, which includes a bunch of different disciplines, such as interaction design, information architecture, visual design, usability, and human-computer interaction. User experience, UX, refers to any interactions a user has with a product or service. UX design considers every single element that shapes this experience, like how it makes the user feel, or how easy it is for the user to accomplish their desired tasks. But why UX? As per Forrester research, on average, every dollar invested in UX brings $100 in return. And companies that invest in UX see a lower cost of customer acquisition, lower support cost, increased customer retention, and increased market share. What is the difference between UX and UI? When talking about user experience, it's important to recognize that, despite being used interchangeable, UX and UI are still two different things. UI refers to the actual interface of a product, the visual design of the screens, or the buttons users press when browsing a website. UI design is concerned with all the visual and interactive elements of a product interface, covering everything from typography to color palettes to animations. UX is broader in scope. This involves the design of the entire process of acquiring an engagement with the customer, including aspects of branding, design, usability, and function. To have a successful product, you must ensure to pay full attention to all aspects of user experience. Thinking user experience. Usability. Can the user navigate the product without difficulty? Information architecture. How is the information laid out? Content strategy. What is the plan for adding content? Visual design. Is the site appealing? User research. What does the customer need? Interaction design. How to browse through the site. Always remember, UX can help your product go from being good product to being the best product. Let's have example from Lyft, a car-sharing application. After getting customers' feedback from the launch, they identified key challenges in the customer's experience using the application. They then started to revamp the application's user experience. First, by identifying what are the key problems. Poor representation of the driver requested. No transparency about price or estimated time of arrival. Directions on map for cars travel aren't clear. Unappealing color scheme used. Navigation and menu difficult to use. After following the design processes and testing with customers, they did some basic changes in the app, like transparency. After the system matches the driver, you can see all the information you need, your driver's name, the color and model of his/her car, and more importantly, displaying the driver's license plate number helps you quickly pick the right car, so you know you're with the right driver. Better usage of primary colors. Limit the use of primary colors, applying it only in important situations. They made the pink color an action item color, such as the logo, the request lift button, the destination pin, and free rides. Tab menu. Important menu actions are now at the bottom of the app, where you can select a type of ride you need, and you can set a pickup location right after. Lift cars on the map. The little lift cars were redesigned nicely. That shows color consistency across the app. Cars now turn directionally, which is a big help for users. Lyft's redesign shows you how other companies generate business value by implementing great design in both UI and UX. It gives you confidence that if you apply similar principles and improve on UX research, the product team can help the company's product achieve success sooner. Still, we have more about product management. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. See you in another video.